Hello everyone, welcome to Ballet Variations tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do Sugar Plum Fairy from the Nutcracker. Demi-pointe shoes, no point shoes, beginner's level. Say that, let's get to it. As always, I'm going to divide the variation in different sections so you can take your own time, learn the first part, then pause, go ahead to the second, third, and so on. And this time I'm going to teach you coordination of arms and legs all together in one. So let's get to it. From the back, diagonal, classical pose, right leg on the back, and music is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to do classical walks, forward 1, forward 2, forward 3, demi-plie in 5th position, releve. Right leg on the back is going to do petit développé very small, and pas de bourrée, forward, forward. Petit développé effacé, same arm, same leg, fouette, pas de main tendue to the back, pas de bourrée, close. Pas de bourrée, right leg 5th position, left leg open to second, right leg in front. And now we're going to repeat everything to the other diagonal. Petit développé with my left leg in front, pas de bourrée, petit développé effacé, left leg, left arm, arabesque, fouette tendu, pas de bourrée. From here, we are going to do demi-plie, chassé, arabesque, pas de bourrée, close. Change diagonal to the other one. Demi-plie, chassé, arabesque, pas de bourrée. We are going to repeat everything again. Petit développé, pas de bourrée. Petit développé effacé, fouette, pas de main tendue, right leg on the back, left leg open, right leg in front. We're going to repeat to the left. Petit développé, run, run. Petit développé forward, effacé, pas de main tendue, left leg in front. Fouette, arabesque, pas de bourrée, stay. Now we are going to do demi-plie, piqué, left leg in front, demi-plie, piqué, right leg in front. We're going to do petit développé, run, run, run to the diagonal on the back. Now we are going to do demi-plie, chassé, pas de main tendue forward, stay. Now I'm going to repeat everything from the beginning a little bit faster. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, plie, releve, 6, 7, and pas de bourrée, petit développé, fouette, pas de bourrée, petit développé, pas de bourrée, forward, petit développé, pas de main tendue, arabesque, pas de bourrée, chassé, arabesque, pas de bourrée, chassé, arabesque, pas de bourrée, and we're going to repeat everything again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, fouette, 7, 8. Petit développé, piqué, left leg in front. Petit développé, right leg in front. And petit développé that walks, chassé, tendu. And now we're going to do temps de flèche. Temps de flèche, let me teach you first. Tendu forward, we're going to do a step plié, jeté, jeté, down. Right leg in front, demi-plie, 4th position. 1st position, jeté, change, jeté, and close. From the diagonal, so we are going to do demi-plie, jeté, jeté, releve. And again, demi-plie, jeté, jeté, releve. Demi-plie, pas de bourrée. Demi-plie, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. And once again, repeat temps de flèche. 1, jeté, jeté. Again, tendu, step, jeté, jeté, releve. To the back. In front, pas demi-pointe. And now I'm going to repeat it a second time a little bit faster. Demi-plie, chassé, pas de main tendue, croisé, forward. Step, plié, jeté, jeté, relevé. Step forward, left, right, relevé. Then plie to the back, pas de bourrée. Demi-plie in front, pas de bourrée, 5, 6, 7, repeat. Step, jeté, jeté, relevé. Step, jeté, jeté, relevé. Coupé to the back. Coupé in front, pas de bourrée. And we are going to do pique fifth. Pique fifth. We are going to walk, 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 fifth position. Passe, open arm. Passe, open arm. Passe, fifth position arm. Fifth position arm. And we are going to run, 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 pose. Let's take it from the run. My last. Passe, passe, run, run, run. Left leg petit développé. Step, right leg petit développé. Arms. We are going to do now demi-plie, pas de chat, relevé, pas de chat, relevé, coupé to the back, pas de bourrée, step to the side, petit développé. The same, pas de chat, relevé, pas de chat, relevé, demi-plie, pas bourrée, plié. Last time, pas de chat, relevé, pas de chat, relevé, demi-plie, pas bourrée, pose, pas bourrée to the back, pose, piqué soutenu en tournant, piqué soutenu en tournant, coude, pied, fourth position, final pose. And now from the beginning, everything together, and then we're gonna do it with music. Let's get to it. If you struggle doing pas de chat, I have a great tutorial for you right here to teach you how to do pas de chat. If you want to keep improving your ballet technique, also check down below in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.